What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to present you another amazing JavaScript library. Today is just kind of a small library. It doesn't do too much, but it's kind of useful as well for those who are interested in it. So this library today is called pushjs.org, and it's kind of the world's most versatile desktop notifications framework. It's a framework or a library which is going to allow you to create desktop notifications. So maybe you want to kind of, there are apps which kind of send notifications not on the web browser but actually on the desktop computer, or on the phone directly. Like if you scroll down on your phone to your notifications, maybe you want to have a message on there, not in the browser. So this framework is going to allow you to do just that. So it's a kind of a small framework, doesn't have much to it. Just clicking on the demo, you see it has created a notification for me down on my computer. It's not in the browser, it's in my computer. So that's kind of the difference that you have to note there. So just a small framework, doesn't have much to it. So you want to check it out at pushjs.org. So let's kind of take a look at the docs, how it's going to be implemented. There isn't much to it. You can install it with npm and then a quick start. Going to the quick start, all you need to do is to create a notification is just push.create, and you have your notification on there like push.create. You can add some more customization as concerns the timeout, the on click, and so on and so forth. So are there some permissions which are required for this? Definitely the user must grant you permissions if you're going to be spamming them with notifications and so on and so forth. So what are some of the options and configurations you can have? You can set the body, the data, icon, link, tag, timeout, vibrate, silent, and then you have some functions to check: callback functions, on click, on close, on error, on show, and so on and so forth. So I just kind of like how small it is. It even has some plugins. Wow, that's interesting. I guess the plugins add some more functionalities to it. So definitely I kind of like this little library. At least it has a feature. I think there's a way to implement this without a library, but since you might be trying to make an abstraction of all these, you just want to go ahead and install the library that will just handle that, or else you just kind of do it manually as well. So, but definitely I find it like a little interesting library which allows me to do push notifications to desktop or to the phone a person is using. So you might want to check out this library and maybe make use of it if you're interested. So that'll do for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you on the next amazing library.